Okay, chat. We are back with a video. We're in a trade, we're in profit, but I only took it on Alpha Futures and on this challenge account. I entered with 5 micros on the challenge account, and then or 5 on the challenge account, 3 on here, and I haven't taken it off yet. Maybe I will. This is, I mean, this is a funded. I don't know. We'll see. But I am selling one. No, not market. No, wait, stop. I'm buying, so sell. Limit sell for one. Yeah. We'll sell one and we'll put it there. So that's I didn't take it though on Top Step only because of a couple of reasons. Number one, today's the FOMC, right? So it's a little, oh, this is beautiful actually. It's FOMC. So I'm a little bit like on it. A little bit what's the word I'm looking for? I guess hesitant to take trades until FOMC. Secondly, it's 11 o'clock. I don't really like trading past like 11 o'clock. And so, like, if this happened at, 9:50, 10 o'clock, I would like to think I would take it on Top Step. But I didn't, you know. I should have sized in heavier. If we come down and tap this 1 minute fair value gap, we will, we could just leave it, whatever. And then I gotta change this to 6. About 6. Actually, why don't I just do it on this? Refresh. Go to, because it's easier to do it on this. 4 right now because I haven't gotten filled yet. We're gonna move this up to the fair value gap and see if we get tagged. Just wait and see. So why did I take this chat? Well, we did just take out previous daily low right here. We took out previous daily low, right? We came up a little bit, really didn't do a whole lot. I was looking for longs after taking previous daily low, only because top that we're in. We're in a pretty big chop fest, and after taking out these lows, I can expect price to at least rebound up into here somewhere. And so I wanted confirmation, and we re-manipulated these lows. We came right back down past the daily level. We really had a nice sweep. Um, and then we had I think it was a 2 minute. Yeah, I was looking at the 2 minute, and we had a 2 minute inverse. I was like, beautiful. I waited until this 1 minute got inverse, bam. And then I entered off this order block tap, like give or take a couple seconds. But I entered off this. I'm honestly gonna buy to this. What a fail. Change this to 6. Stop it. Does this update automatically? Yeah, it does. Let's go, W's. So yeah, I mean that's why I entered. And I entered this this is beautiful. That's a beautiful 15-minute close. What do I need to pass my Tradeify? 3,000, 3,750. I'm not passing a 6 month growth, but we'll see. Like we'll sell one there. So one there, one there, one. I mean, how many points are these? Are these a lot of points? 15 points, about 10 points? I mean, yeah, whatever. Sell 1 minute, sell 1 minute, sell. Let me see where do I want these. We could put one all the way up here. We could put one here. There. No, that's not bad. Do I want to scale anyone here? But I do want to see this 1 minute. Um, I do want to see this get inversed pretty soon. Like we could trade down into here, but I'm not gonna always re-enter. I think this is a pretty safe bet. What we could do, let me see. If we inverse this gap, we could not not that many. We did inverse, so we could join the bid. Perfect. Move my stop up. Let's scale into our winners, chat. Oh, we didn't inverse it on here, but we did on MNQ. See, barely. Yeah. So, whatever, chat. Whatever happens when this trade's over, I'll come back and we'll just see what my P&L is. Order filled. So, I mean, the bitch is currently running. The one more. We'll do one more up here. Limit sell one. Um, actually, I want to do here. And then we'll do limit sell one. We could scale or stop loss if we need to. Let's just see what happens. Let's see what shakes. So far, this is a beautiful trade. So I'm gonna see you guys when the trade's over. Um, now that this is in hindsight, but I wish I could get on Top Step. I didn't because of the time. It was during the 11 o'clock. It was during the 11 o'clock um, macro. Yeah, I actually wouldn't even mind selling it. Hey, if we create a fair value gap here, we can add one. But I didn't take it on Top Step because of I don't really like trading past 11. I really don't. I guess it really doesn't. I'm just not used to it. I gotta get used to it. This is just in hindsight because this is a limit, so that's why I'm feeling a little like sad. But it's all just in hindsight because it worked. So whatever. If we do tap into this 1 minute and we get nice displacement on the 30-second, I will enter, but I'm not trading Top Step until maybe FOMC. But we'll see. I kind of want to. We just closed above 10 a.m. too. I actually am gonna add one here. Which one I did. Okay. Now, depending upon how the next few candles go, I might take some out, or I might take all of it. Because I'm not trying to be greedy, but we'll see. Like, let me see, 5 minute. So we have a fat. Oh, actually, yeah, we have a fat 5 minute fair value gap. My stops are pretty safe though. Alpha futures are like this thing. The trade on the combine's pretty safe, because I do have like 50%. I don't know. We'll see what shakes, but we're break even. It's risk free, baby. I could have waited for a displacement out of this 1 minute, but whatever. So, I mean, we'll see what happens, chat. I'm gonna see you guys whenever the trade's over. I just, I just got fucking bitched by a Royal Giant deck, man. Piece of fucking shit. Anyway, chat. I'm all out of the trade. 442.06. This was like the final shit. Great trade. Let me just put on executions so we could see if I can find where I would do that. Here we go. So it might be a little messy. Long 3, I added 1, I added 1, and I added 1. Took one off, 1 off, 1 off. 3, 4, 5, yeah, so. I mean, I was like top taking this shit. This is a beautiful trade. This is like basically what happened to on my Tradeify accounts. Tradeify, we are up 611, and then Alpha's up 442, so we're up about 1,000. Um, Statistics. I mean, I haven't really traded, but it's best trade, worst trade. Uh-oh. But the results are all skewed. So, but this is almost at 50,000 again. Um, and then this is a challenge account, so I don't care. But I mean, I wouldn't mind longing somewhere from these 5 minutes. The only thing I will say is that we do have a pretty big S&T with these highs. So ES took out these highs and Q hasn't. So there is an S&T and it's a pretty big one. However, overall, I really wouldn't want to short down here. I would only really want a long. So I'm only looking for long. I'm looking for a long still. Maybe we'll get an entry in the 5 minute, but I kind of want to wait to see if we can tap this for. I want to see this one more than the other one, but we'll see what happens. I mean, might not even take it in the trade. But hey, so we're up 1,000. These are the executions. That's what we're at. This anyway, so I'm gonna see you guys. If I take another trade, I'll see you guys in a second. If I don't see you guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Monday and Tuesday, I did not take a trade. I really just didn't see anything I liked. Like if you look, here it is. The only thing that I did necessarily like, which I marked it out, I didn't actually take it because it happened right at open. Like we had a Judas swing and then a very nice inverse. 1 minute inverse, we filled it. Say you got the best entry, so it's maybe just something like that. A lot of people took profit at these relative equal highs. This was the trade of the day. After that, I mean, there was. I'm going to say this: if you got the best entry, and you scaled some and move the rest break even, we respected this 1 minute open here, like very nicely. We wicked it, whatever. I kind of want to see where we are here. But we respected this OB a lot. So, I mean, you could have still been, why is it too drawn? So, I mean, this was not a bad trade. It was just so, price was moving so inefficiently that I was looking at this, all this wiki bullshit, and I walked. I came back over here somewhere. We were moving like shit, so I didn't take anything Tuesday. Monday. It was just a trending down type of day. I think everybody was targeting those, daily highs and daily fair value gap to the upside. I'm pointing up like you could fucking see. But I feel like everybody was targeting those. I was too, but I haven't marked. But I was like 50-50, like whatever happens, happens. But we had a nice SMT. Short actually wasn't bad. I don't know, like by the time I was ready to short, the market was really moving down. I didn't expect it to go down this much. Where's my bad? I didn't expect it to go down this much. Maybe only like to here, but at that point I was like, I'm not doing it. But we ended up taking out all this outside. I was just wrong. Like I wasn't expecting that. So no trades Monday or Tuesday. Today we took a nice long. It's turning about to be the 12 o'clock macro. So I mean we'll see if taking another trade. We are in a 15-minute fair value gap as well. Like if I do take another trade, it'll probably be just I won't touch the alpha, or maybe just take it at 50. No, I won't touch it. I won't touch alpha, but I'll trade my combine to the fucking combine. And then I will also trade top step if we can get a nice trade. But we'll just have to kind of wait and see. Let's see something. So from this leg, 50% is this fair enough, which is I think basically mine. Yeah, it is. I want to see longs. What is this black line? I think that would be OB. So I only kind of want to see longs from. I think we have a double SPT to the downside. I don't know, like you could go crazy trying to overanalyze the market right now when it's just choppy. It's just rangy. But people can go crazy trying to trade this. So we'll see. But honestly, I'm gonna fade any longs unless we hit this 5 minute thing, which is also this nice 1 minute. And I'm still targeting this number buy side, but we'll see. So I'm gonna see you guys. If I take a trade, I will see you guys in a second. If I don't, I will see you guys tomorrow. Now tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday we only have unemployment comes at 8:30 and Friday's nothing. Okay, so this should be all right. I will see you guys either in a second or tomorrow.